In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Claude. By the end, you'll have PayPal linked inside Claude so you can enable secure AI-assisted workflows built on your payment data. I'll walk you through each click, explain what you're seeing, and share a few tips to avoid common hiccups. First, open your browser and go to Claude New. This takes you straight into a fresh Claude workspace. Give the page a moment to load so all interface elements appear properly. If you're not already signed in, make sure you're using your official Claude account before moving on. Next, look for the Customize option in the interface. This area controls how Claude behaves for you, including extensions and connections. Click Customize to open the settings panel. If your window is small, you may need to expand the sidebar or scroll a bit to spot it. Inside Customize, find the section labeled Connect Your Apps. This is the hub for integrations. It's where you manage which third-party services Claude can access, and it's designed to keep permissions transparent and easy to review. Click Connect Your Apps to open the integrations directory. Now use the search field and type PayPal. Spelling and capitalization aren't critical in the search, but look for the official PayPal entry in the results. If the list is long, give it a second to populate and confirm you're selecting the verified integration. Click on PayPal in the results to open its details page. Here you'll see an overview noting that the PayPal MCP server enables AI agents to interact with the PayPal platform. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. In simple terms, it's a standardized, secure way for Claude to communicate with tools like PayPal without exposing your sensitive information. The description helps you understand what kinds of actions and data access the connector supports, so take a moment to read it. When you're ready, click Connect. This starts the secure linking process. Follow any on-screen prompts that appear. They're there to confirm you're authorizing the connection and to outline exactly what access is being granted. Always review the permissions so you're comfortable with what Claude can do on your behalf. That's it. You've connected PayPal to Claude. From here, you can return to your workspace and use Claude with the new capability enabled. If you don't see the connection right away, refresh the page and check the Connect Your Apps section to confirm it's active. And if search doesn't show PayPal at first, clear the filter and try again. With this setup complete, you're ready to put Claude and PayPal to work together securely and efficiently.